As the third anniversary of the war in Ukraine approaches, the Trump administration is seeking a quick resolution to the conflict. Max, what recent developments have we seen in the peace negotiations?
Well, the United States and Russia just sat down for what essentially looked like talks about talks, that this was an effort to establish a dialogue to then figure out how the US and Russia and hopefully Ukraine and maybe the Europeans as well would structure a dialogue about ending the war. I think what's pretty clear is that Russia wants these talks to extend. They want to make them about more than just Ukraine, but about the US security presence in Europe, about sanctions relief and other things. But I'm not convinced that Russia is actually interested in having productive negotiations to end the war.
What are the US's and Ukraine's goals in this peace process?
Yeah, I think for Ukraine, the goal would be to have an end to the conflict. But I think the other thing, the main objective for Ukraine is to have a secure European future. And I think what Russia's objectives are is to prevent that from happening. And Ukraine is very nervous that they're going to be forced to, there's going to be a lot of pressure put on Ukraine to agree to something that basically ends their European dream, their dream of having a European future. And right now it looks like both Ukraine and the Europeans are sort of on the sidelines of these talks, when really they should be central to them, because that's the central issue, Ukraine's European future, which is really at question here.